In this session, I will explain how to start MS Word and environment of MS Word. To start MS Word, you can click on Start and you can select MS Word or Word from the startup menu. Otherwise, you can simply type WORD, Word, in search bar itself. So, you will get Word here. So, click on the Word, automatically it will opens the startup area. This is the start screen. So, it is showing blank document and also showing recent documents what we prepared. So, first you need to select a blank document from here, or otherwise from new also you can select. So, I am selecting blank document. If you already have some documents, means you can also open from here. So, I am selecting a blank document. So, this is the environment of MS Word. We will discuss about each and every part in this environment. First, see the top. First, we have option auto save option in the quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. So, near quick access toolbar, it is having auto save option. If you once saved your document in the cloud, then you can make it on. This option is available only in the latest version. We are using 2021 MS Office version. So, this is available. You need not to save every time what you after typing, after editing your document. Automatically it will save to the cloud. So, that is the option. Okay. And you can make it on only if you saved your document in cloud, then only you can make it on. Suppose if I click there, means see, before auto save you need to fix the following. It is asking, this file needs to be saved in cloud first. So, you need to save your document in cloud. And next, this is the quick access toolbar. This helps you frequently using options you can place in quick access toolbar, and you can directly go and use them. Suppose frequently I am using save. Actually the save option is available in the file. You have to go to the file and select save option. Instead of doing like that, there is save option. Otherwise you can use Control S also in keyboard. So, go and click on save. So, automatically save dialog box will come. And if you want more options, suppose I am typing something, here there is an option called undo and redo. Suppose I will make it undo and make it redo. And if you want to add frequently using quick access toolbar, frequently used options using quick access toolbar, you can select the options. Suppose I want new in the quick access toolbar, you can add it, and if you want open, you can add it. So, directly you go and select new from here itself, and if you want open, you click on open. So, that is the quickest way to apply options. What are the frequently using options by you can use You can place them in quick access toolbar and you can use them. If you don't want them means you can deselect them. Suppose I don't want open and deselect it, and I don't want new there, you can deselect this, and remaining also you can deselect, and you can add more commands also in quick access toolbar. And next to the quick access toolbar there is title of the document, name of the document, and word, and next search is there. We have hundreds of options in MS Word, but you don't know where the option is, but you know the name of the option. Suppose I want font, just font, type font, automatically font option will come, you can apply here. So I am typing something here and I want to apply font. So fonts are here, but if you want, here also you can type font, and directly here itself you can apply the size of the font and what are the options you need. Suppose I want spell check, spell, if you type spell, immediately it is giving spelling and grammar option. So like that also you can select an option to apply in the document from the hundreds of options. That is the quickest way to search your options among these options. Okay. Next, down to the top title bar, next one is, this one is, you can say tab. We can have number of tabs in MS Word. These are all different kinds of tabs. Left side to the home tab we have file. If you click on file, it will retrieves backstage area. This is backstage view of MS Word. When you open MS Word, also you will get this blank document, etc. And here we have number of options like how to save the document, how to share the document, how to print the document, how to close the document, everything. And if you want to go back, there is a button back. You will get MS Word editing environment again. So if you need backstage area, you have to click on file to do different kinds of file related activities. Okay, and back. And these are the different kinds of tabs you have to apply different kinds of options related to your document. For example, home is the tab having number of options to apply like fonts, colors, sizes, alignments, etc., etc. These are the options frequently used by the user. So each and every tab will be having a separate group in the tab. For example, if you click on tab, it will give the entire bar. This is known as ribbon. Okay, in this ribbon there are separate groups. Suppose clipboard one group is there, font one group is there, paragraphs group, styles group, editing group. Like that, the total ribbon is having 5 groups here. You can select an option from the particular group, and you can also expand the group by clicking the arrow mark in the corner, given in the corner of the particular group. You will get more detailed options related to that group. Suppose even for the paragraph also, I will click and open another dialog box. So choose the number of options from the dialog box. So home tab will be having frequently using options, and next to the home tab we are having insert tab. So there are number of objects to insert in your document, like cover pages, blank pages, break pages, and even tables. You can insert tables. Suppose I will insert table like this, and also see, when you select the table, extra tabs will come related to that particular option. This is extra table related option, table design, table layout. And if you remove, click and delete, or select entire one and Control A and delete, automatically those options will disappear. So if you select that particular option, the option related extra tabs will come. Suppose if you insert one shape, suppose I am inserting one shape here, drag that shape, automatically the shape related extra tab will come. If you remove that particular shape, means click and delete, automatically that extra tab will disappear. So like that we will get extra tabs related to that particular option what we selected. Insert is having number of options like tables, pictures, and charts, shapes, and etc., add-ins and media related, links related, comments related, header and footer related, text related, like these options. And even we can insert equations, symbols what we not found in the keyboard, okay, to develop our document, to prepare our document. Like this also we can have number of equations. So using insert we can retrieve number of objects into the document. And next to the insert, design is there. So this changes the entire document design, formatting of the document, how the heading will be, how the subheading will be, like that, how the body matter will be, everything will be changed by the selection of these particular options. And you can change the entire font styles, entire colors related to the document, not a single color, entire document related colors. And you can place watermarks and different kinds of effects and page colors, even page borders also you can place, like a double line border and different formatted borders you can have to your document. And layout changes the size of the document. Suppose like this, we can select size. By default we have A4 size. Suppose if you want A3 size, A3 size is larger than A4 size. So that means you can type more information in a single page. So according to your requirement you can select the size, and you can also adjust the sizes, like you can minimize the size up to the card size, visiting card size also you can select by adjusting the width and height of the pages. And you can change the orientation of the document here, and we can set up the margins also, different kinds of margins we can set up, and we can place indentation, everything here. That is the layout of the document. And next one is reference. Reference is having different options, like table of contents we can prepare to our document, and we can have footnotes and endnotes to your document, and we can prepare bibliography and citations to your document. We will discuss each and every option in the coming sessions. Don't bother. Okay. So like this, we can have the reference of the document through references tab. And next one is mailings tab. Using mailings tab, we can mainly use mail merge options, mail merge related options to generate a document to the multiple recipients. Suppose you have different people's addresses, different employees' addresses. To those addresses, you have to send the same letter to all the people, hundreds of people. So you can select those addresses and merge it to this particular letter, and you generate hundreds of letters at a time, then send mail or send printout to them. Okay, like that we can prepare mailings in MS Word. And review. Once your document prepared means, you can check different kinds of activities like word count you can check, and you can check spellings and grammars and thesaurs, and you can do much more things, even accepting and rejecting using reviews, track changes. Okay, you can do many more things once your document is finished, means you can finally review your document using all these options. Next, view option is there. View, how to view your document. Whether you want, by default it will be in print layout view, and if you want your document in web page like view, you can select that, and you can use read mode also. Without any options, you can select this option. Escape, press escape, you will get back the original print layout view, and you can zoom the document also, and you can do many more things. You can split the document, and you can prepare macros also. Here, how to record your activities, what are the activities you are doing in your document, you can record using macros. So finally, help. You will get different kinds of help like this, you can follow if you want. So these are the tabs we have, and after these tabs we are having the main document area, main page area, where you edit and type your document. And this document will be having margins. Suppose to view the margins, go to view and say rollers clearly. See, here this is the left margin and this is the top margin, and if you comment to bottom by scrolling this one, you will get bottom margin. Within the bounds of the margin only you can type, and we have right margin also. Suppose like this I am typing. If you don't want this much margin, means you can adjust here itself, or otherwise here itself. Suppose top margin I am reducing to type more in the page, and you can also set margins using these layout options. Okay, or otherwise directly also you can use like this. So this is the page area where you type your entire document, and finally in the bottom you have the status bar. This will be having like page numbers, number of words in your document, and the language option and related options like which mode you are where you are. You can change the web layout and read mode like this, and you can zoom the size also like this. So this is the status bar, tells the status of the present document. Okay, this is the simple environment of MS Word. In the next session, we will take options one by one available in the MS Word. Okay,